Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to start monitoring your services using IncidentHub. So let's get started. I'm assuming that you have already created your IncidentHub account. So let's go to the IncidentHub website and click on login. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard. And you can see that in my account I have already added a few services and there are some outages here. So let's add a new service. You go to monitor services and click on add, and then let's start searching for GitHub. So here you have two options: monitor all the components of GitHub or monitor specific components. Now this is a very important setting to filter out the alerts that you actually want to see. If you choose monitor all components, you will receive each and every single alert that GitHub status page emits whenever there's an incident. You may not be interested in all of those. So take a moment to figure out which components make sense to you. For example, if you are using GitHub Pages to host your static website, that's what you're interested in. So choose Pages. If you're interested in pull requests, then choose that, and so on. This is just an example, right? So here you have two settings. One is components, which I explained what it does, and then there is notifications. This is another setting which will allow you to fine-tune your alerts further. So let's look at what it does. So if you see, the default option is send me notifications for all the events in an incident, and the second one is send me notifications for the start and the end events only. So let me explain this using an example. Let's say GitHub has an incident, and the first alert that you get says incident has been triggered in so and so, and then after 15 minutes their incident response team publishes another update saying we have made some progress on this, and you receive another alert for that because IncidentHub detects that. After 15 minutes you have yet another update, and finally there's a resolution after say 1 hour. So you have received a total of 4 alerts. Now it's up to you to decide whether you want to receive all these 4 alerts or you're okay with just receiving the trigger and the resolve. So you can decide this based on how critical the service is to your operations, to your business, to your team's productivity. So if GitHub is a very critical service for you and your team depends a lot on it, then you can choose to receive all the alerts. Essentially, you'll be following very closely any incident that happens in GitHub. On the other hand, if you are just interested in knowing when something is wrong and when something is resolved, then you can choose the second option. If you're not sure, you can just leave the default. So these two options let you fine-tune your notifications to make sure that you or your team doesn't drown in alerts, because alert fatigue, as you know, is a very real thing. So here I'm just going to leave the default, and I've chosen 2 components here, and I'm going to say save changes, and you can see that GitHub has been added to my list. And if there are any incidents, there is an incident going on right now with GitHub. Incident with actions. This was posted 1 minute ago, and IncidentHub has already detected it. So you can see all your ongoing outages at a glance in this panel. If you want to see all the ongoing outages for your services, you can click here. It will show you all of them. You can filter by service, Salesforce, GitHub, or you can just click on the service. Right? Now let's look at how to add a notification channel where you can receive alerts. So scroll down and go to the notification channels section and click on add. Let's say you want to receive alerts over email. So here the email is pre-filled and you cannot change it. It is the email of your account. So I'm logged in as, with my email address here, and that's why it's showing this. I can send a test email to see what it looks like, and then I can click on save, and that's done. I'll start receiving alerts for all my services at this email. It's very easy to delete as well. You can also add based on which plan you're on. You can add Slack, Discord, PagerDuty, webhooks, and so on. So that's it. It's very simple, right? You can create an IncidentHub account and start monitoring your services in not more than 2 or 3 minutes. So give it a try. And if you need any help, reach out to me through the support email, reach out on Twitter or on LinkedIn, wherever you want. Thank you.